As a finance professional, I constantly emphasize the importance of making informed decisions, especially when it comes to tools and resources that impact your budget. In the world of project management, a Gantt chart is an invaluable visual aid, helping teams track timelines, dependencies, and overall progress. Many businesses, particularly startups and smaller teams, are on the lookout for cost-effective solutions, which often leads them to explore free forever plans offered by popular platforms like ClickUp. But when it comes to ClickUp's Gantt chart, the question of its freeness requires a closer look, especially from a financial perspective. The short answer is yes. ClickUp offers access to its Gantt chart feature within its free forever plan, but with significant limitations. This is a crucial distinction that often gets overlooked in the initial excitement of discovering a free option. For finance managers and budget-conscious individuals, understanding these limitations is essential to avoid unexpected costs or workflow disruptions down the line. Let's break down the reality of ClickUp's Gantt chart availability through a financial lens. The Free Forever Plan. A taster, not a feast. ClickUp's Free Forever Plan is designed to give users a taste of its vast capabilities. It's an excellent way to get familiar with the platform, manage personal tasks, or handle very small, simple projects. For Gantt charts specifically, the Free Forever Plan provides 60 uses of the Gantt chart view. Now, 60 uses might sound like a decent number initially. However, from a financial planning standpoint, this isn't a sustainable model for most professional project management needs. What exactly constitutes a use? It's not just creating a Gantt chart. It includes viewing and editing existing Gantt charts. So, if your team regularly checks project progress on a Gantt chart, or if you need to make frequent adjustments to project timelines, those 60 uses can be depleted surprisingly quickly. Imagine you're managing a small marketing campaign. You set up a Gantt chart to visualize tasks like content creation, design, and distribution. Each time you open that Gantt chart to check progress, or drag a task to update its due date, you're using one of your allocated views. If you have a team of 5 members, each checking the Gantt chart a few times a day, those 60 uses could vanish in a matter of days or even hours for an active project. The financial implications of the limit. Once you hit that 60-use limit, ClickUp's Gantt chart feature becomes inaccessible. You won't lose your data, but you'll no longer be able to create, view, or edit your Gantt charts until you upgrade to a paid plan. This is where the financial implications become apparent. From a finance management perspective, this limited free model presents a potential hidden cost. If your team relies on Gantt charts for project visibility and planning, hitting this limit can halt progress. Without access to the Gantt chart, your team might struggle to get a clear overview of dependencies and timelines, leading to delays. Delays, as we know, can translate directly into increased project costs due to prolonged resource allocation and missed opportunities. Force an unplanned upgrade. To resume using Gantt charts, you'll be compelled to upgrade to a paid plan. This can disrupt your budget if you hadn't factored in these subscription costs. An unexpected expenditure, however small, can throw off financial projections. Create workflow inefficiencies. Teams might resort to manual methods or less efficient workarounds, increasing the time spent on administrative tasks rather than core project work. This translates to reduced productivity and, indirectly, higher operational costs. When a paid plan becomes a financial necessity, ClickUp's paid plans, such as the Unlimited plan and above, offer unlimited Gantt charts. This is where the true value for sustained project management lies. From a financial viewpoint, if your projects are complex, involve numerous dependencies, or require consistent visual tracking, investing in a paid plan is a sound financial decision. Consider the cost-benefit analysis. Cost of a paid plan versus cost of inefficiencies. The monthly cost of a ClickUp paid plan, which varies per user and plan tier, needs to be weighed against the potential financial losses stemming from project delays, errors, and reduced productivity due to limited or absent Gantt chart functionality. Often, the investment in a robust project management tool like ClickUp, with unlimited Gantt charts, pays for itself in improved efficiency and timely project completion. Scalability. As your business grows and your projects become more intricate, the need for advanced project visualization and management tools will only increase. A paid ClickUp plan provides the scalability to support this growth without hitting workflow bottlenecks related to Gantt chart limitations.